Welcome back, everyone. I hope you are all doing well and staying focused on your trading journey. Before we start today's session, I want to welcome all of you again to this challenge series. And if you are watching this video for the first time, then you're joining us in the middle of an exciting trading journey. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and support this series so we can continue sharing real trading sessions with you. Your support helps this channel grow, and it helps more traders discover these real account challenges. Also, if you have interest in our trading system, or if you want more information about the bot, you can send us a message on WhatsApp. Our team will guide you and explain everything step by step. Now, let us move into today's session. Today is the third day of our new challenge. As many of you know, we recently completed a $50 challenge where the account started small and ended above $300. That challenge was completed successfully, and it showed how a structured system can grow an account step by step when discipline is followed. After completing that challenge, we started a bigger journey, the $500 challenge. The purpose of this challenge is simple: to demonstrate how the same trading system can operate on different account sizes. Whether someone starts with $50 or $500, the strategy remains structured and disciplined. This challenge started with $500, and the long-term target we're moving toward is the $2,500 level. We have completed many challenges before, and each one has helped demonstrate how the system behaves in real market conditions. Now today is day 3 of this challenge, and every day we move step by step toward the goal. Before trading today, we reviewed the market environment. As you know, the global markets, including crypto and forex, are moving with strong volatility these days. Many traders find it difficult to maintain consistency when markets move quickly. This is one reason why many traders prefer synthetic indices on Deriv. These markets operate continuously and allow structured strategies to function without interruptions from external news events. Now, let me ask you something. How is your trading going recently? Are you currently profitable? Or are you still trying to find consistency? Are you trading forex, crypto, or synthetic indices? Share your experience in the comments so other traders can also learn from your journey. Now let us move to today's execution. Today was the third day of growing the account from the initial challenge start. Before launching the system, we analyzed multiple volatility indices. After checking different options, the volatility 10 index with 1 second ticks appeared to offer the best opportunity during that session. Again, I want to clarify something here. The analysis you see during the video is only shown for transparency. The internal logic used by the system works differently and follows program strategy rules. Once we confirm the market conditions, we open the dbot interface. Our system was already loaded and ready to operate. Then we began configuring parameters for the session. We selected volatility 10 1 second index. The stop loss was set to $90. The take profit target was set to $200. And the stake size was configured at $19.12. After reviewing every parameter carefully, we started the bot and allowed the system to execute trades automatically according to the strategy. Now, before revealing the results, let me share something important with you. Many traders believe success comes instantly, but real progress in trading usually comes from patience and consistent learning. Some people give up too early, while others continue improving their approach until they find something that works for them. Trading is not just about entering trades. It is about discipline, risk control, and continuous improvement. When traders combine structured strategies with modern technology, they create an environment where decisions become more consistent. Automated systems are designed to help maintain that consistency, instead of reacting emotionally to every market movement. The system follows defined rules and executes trades according to logic. Over time, this type of discipline can help traders understand the market more clearly. And this is exactly why we share these challenge sessions publicly, to show the process step by step, to show the results, and to allow traders to observe how structured trading works in practice. Every challenge we complete becomes part of a larger journey, and every session teaches something new about the market and about strategy discipline. Now, let me share the results of today's session. After launching our premium bot, the system started executing trades according to its program rules. Within approximately 16 minutes, the take profit target was reached. During this session, The bot executed around 123 trades. Out of those trades, 113 were successful, while 10 trades resulted in losses. And the final profit secured during this session was approximately $201. This result increased the account balance significantly from the previous session. You can see the full execution in the video, along with the trading statistics. Take a close look at today's performance. This level of structured execution is something many traders find valuable to observe during these challenges. With this session completed, Day 3 of the challenge is now finished. But remember, the journey is still continuing. Every new day is another step toward the overall target. Each session builds momentum as the account progresses. If you have been following our previous challenges, then you already know this is not the first time we have completed similar journeys. Over time, we have shared multiple challenges and documented their results. And each challenge demonstrates how disciplined trading can be approached with structure. If you want to learn more about our trading tools, you can visit our website, alphaderivbot.com. There you can explore information about our trading systems and see how the technology works. Alpha Deriv Bot is part of our broader project to develop structured trading tools for traders around the world. Our goal is to continue improving these systems and sharing real trading sessions with the community. If you want more details, you can contact us directly through WhatsApp, and our team will guide you through the process. Once again, thank you for watching this session. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments about your trading journey.